Hey guys, I just ran a Whatnot show for May the 4th be with you, and went through all my stuff. It was a pretty brutal show, but it happens. So I'm going to break something because I can. I do what I want. So we're going to break a 2025 OG Invincible keepsake blaster box. A lot of my customers hit one of ones with these. I've sold them dirt cheap, and they're all but gone now. I got about 20, maybe 25 boxes left, and I've seen some sitting out here. And before I called it a day, and I'm gonna break a box because I can. I'm in the mood, and do what I want, so that's what I'm doing. Typically you can feel the relic, but I didn't feel anything, so let's start breaking. Good start, Mr. Battle Beast. Rexplode, Bebop, and William Clockwell. I like these blasters. Dirty Debbie, Mr. Invinci, Monster Girl, and Samantha Eve on the pop art. Well, season 2's out. I haven't purchased any. I have thousands of season 1s that I'll be selling someday. Organizing them all. Lots of 1-of-1s, lots of numbered. Oh, I got a blood splatter. I'm happy. Mark and Samantha, Rhiannon, Nolan Grayson, and what's the blood splatter? Nice. Adam Eve on the blood splatter. I'll take that all day long. Nice, nice. So I got about 10 4Ds, couple season issue number 1s. I'll be selling sometime. Kill Cannon, Omni-Man, Invinci, and William Clockwell. 2 of those now. I think about 6 or 8 people have gotten 1-of-1s out of my blasters. Makes me happy. I sold them for about $15 a box, so William, Monster Girl, Invinci, and William Clockwell. Okay, that's a little ridiculous now. 3, I think that's the relic. Maybe 3 Clockwells. So maybe I'll get a 1-of-1 Clockwell. Make up for it. Of course, the blood splatter Eve was pretty good. Aquos, Fish Lips, Adam Eve, Invinci, and Monster Girl on the pop art. Again, like, share, comment, if you would, on my YouTube. Check out all my breaks. I break everything from Silver Swords to Invinci, Bruce Lee, another blood splatter. I'm happy. Damien Darkblood, Invinci and Adam Eve, Omni-Man, and what do we got for the blood splatter? Nice! Nice. There you go. I'll take that all day long. Blood Splatter Invincible on a blaster box. Oh yeah. Alright, here we go. Last pack of magic. The Flaxons. Invincible, and it's our relic. Invincible Super Relic. Look at that, guys. From a blaster. Triple. Look at that. That is a wicked relic right there. Bang, bang. What a box. What a box. I will take that all day long. Well, there you go, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe. That was fun. Check me out on all the platforms. DodgeZen everywhere. eBay. Whatnot. This is some of the stuff I ran today. This was May the 4th be with you. Everything space related that I ran. It was fun. And till we meet again, I hope you thrive.